Hello everybody, welcome. It's our Shumatt live streaming. I'm the live streamer Caitlin. Our company specializes in common rail diesel parts. Today I would like to share with you one of our control valve, this one. And then please follow me, let's see the details together. Firstly, you can see the outside package. It is BCINT roast back here. This is the product SKU and include the product code is F00RJ02246. And for the logo label packages, that's where we can support customize the service. Then please follow me. Let's see the details of the inside. Wow, take a look. And for this inside, as you can see, this is the transparent bottles, right? And for this one, it's very hard and it can be better avoid some damages during the transportation. So you don't need to worry about anything will hurt the inside product. Let's open it. This is oil paper. The whole side, the valve assembly, actually we're not only selling the whole side, we're also selling the separate one. The separate valve cap or the valve rods. If you look carefully, you'll find on the valve cap there with the coating figures here. And this is the valve rods. For product, we have the quality guaranteed. Each product we supply 6 months warranty time. In this period, any of the customers, if you are not set with the quality, we can return or exchange it. For this valve assembly, and here Caitlin has 3 tips I'd like to share with you. The first tip is clean with the oil. The second tip is make sure the valve cap in the right position. The valve rods can be moved smoothly after inject body. So much for the introductions. Any other questions, please leave the comments below the YouTube. As I see that, I will reply you, and also you can follow us at our YouTube or the Facebook account. So much for today. Thank you for staying with me. Let's see you next time. I wish you have a good day. Bye bye.